Good morning and Jai Hind students. So how are you all today? I hope that you are fine. Okay. So have you done your previous work? Your yesterday homework? I have given you to write this. Right? Have you done this? Okay. If you have not done, please complete it as soon as possible because after this you have to write the today's work. And today I am going to teach you mental maths. So now all of you take out your textbook. Okay, take out your textbooks and in that you have to take out the lesson number 3, multiples and factors. And you will see there will be first page, that is warm up. Okay, don't do right now. Just turn your page and you will see there mental maths. Got it, students? Okay, now open that questions and take out your notebooks also, classwork notebook, and take out your blue pen and black pen and scale. These 3 things are required today. Okay, so fast, hurry up, take out and let's start the today's work. Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, so first of all you have to write down the date. Okay, so now I'm using blue ink so that you don't get confused. You can use for writing date either blue or black. So first of all write date. Okay, this is 7/7/2020. Write down date and then write down the heading, main heading, that is mental maths. Okay, after that note down the first question, that is write the first 3 multiples of 4. Okay, now I'm hiding my video so that you can see the board in full. So now do it fast. First of all write the date, then write heading mental maths, and then write down the question, write the first 3 multiples of 4. Do fast. Okay, so now what we have to do, write the first 3 multiple of 4. Whose 3 multiple we have to write? First 3 multiple of 4. We have to write the multiple of 4. Okay. So now after that let's write here solution. Now first take it out. We will write here 4 multiplied by 1, that equals to 4. This is the first multiple of 4 or the smallest multiple of 4. Now next we have to find out the second multiple of 4. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Write down. Start copying with me. Okay, just understand and then note it down in your copy so that your work will be completed. Now after that 4 multiplied by 3, that equals to 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So now we have got the first 3 multiples of 4. No need to draw this, I am just doing for explanation. So these are the first 3 multiples. This is the first multiple, this is the second, and this is the third. These are the first 3 multiples of 4. Now let's write the answer. So in the next line you will write in this way. So 4, 8, 12, or you can write here and also 4, 8 and 12 are the first 3 multiples of 4. In this way you have to write the answer. Now note it down. I'm waiting for you. Note down, students. And do it in a good handwriting. I want your copy should be neat and clean. Done? Okay. So now let's proceed further with the second question. And if you are having page in that, so just note down the second question there only. No need to write every time in a new page, okay? So whenever there is space, you have to carry forward from there only. So now second question. Write the first 5 multiple of first 5 odd multiples of 7. So now what is odd number? Okay. Yesterday we have discussed what is odd number. What are they? That is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers, right? So we have to find out the first 5 odd multiples of 7. Okay, no need to write this. I'm just erasing it. This is just an explanation part, so no need to write it. Only just write down the heading with a black pen. Now let's start the solution. Okay. Now first we will write 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7. We got the first multiple, odd multiple. Now if we do 7 multiplied by 2, then we will get 14 as answer. So 14 is odd number or even? Yes, that's an even number. So we don't have to multiply with 2. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we have to multiply it with 3. So when we multiply 7 with 3, what we will get? 7 3s are, that is 21. Now we have got the second odd multiple, right? No need to number it. I am just doing it so that you can see. You have to write the answer only. Okay. Now, after that, 7 multiplied by, do we have to multiply with 4? No. So which number? 5. 7 multiplied by 5 is, that is 35. We got the third multiple, right? Note down better. Then after that, next 7 multiplied by 7, that equals to 49. We got the fourth multiple. Now next we have to multiply by which number? Yes, 7 multiplied by 9. So now 7 multiplied by 9 is 63. So what we have got? We have got the first 5 odd multiples. So now we have to write the answer here. 7, 21, 35, 49 and 63 are the, we have to write from the question, are the first 5 odd multiples of 7. Note down. Note it down. This you don't have to do. So I'm just erasing it. You have to note down only solution. Okay. Note down, then we will proceed further. Done? So now let's do the next question. Write the third multiple of 10. Okay? If you have page, you can continue from that page. If you don't have, don't worry. You can start from the new page. Okay? So let's write down the question first with the black pen. And now, then the solution. Question is, write the third multiple of 10. Now it is not asking first three or anything. It is asking only the third multiple of 10. So now what we have to do? We have to write the multiple of 10. So we will write here 10 multiplied by, it is asking which number? Third. So what we have to do? We have to multiply by 3. So 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, right? So now only third multiple we have to write. So just we have done. Now we have to write 30 is the third multiple of 10. Note down, students. See, isn't it very easy? It is. You have to just concentrate that what the question is saying. Okay? And then do it. Complete it. Then after that we will be doing question 4 and then 5. Okay? I hope that all of you have completed till now this much. You have done 1, 2 and 3 question. So now let's move further. Question number 4. Write the first multiple of 9. Isn't it very easy? Yes, now I know that you all know it. You have understood. So now let's do the solution. So the question is saying write the first multiple of 9. So we have to write only one multiple, that is first. So how to write? 9 multiplied by 1 equals to 9. So we have got the first multiple of 9. So how to write the answer? 9 is the, whenever there is 1 we are writing, we have to use is. But when it is more than 1, then you have to write R. Okay? 9 is the first multiple of 9. Okay? Note it down. I hope you have done it. So now next move further with the fifth question. Now the fifth question is write the odd multiples of 5. We have to write the odd multiples of 5 between 1 and 20. There is a condition applied, right? It's a condition applied over here. So first you have to understand. No need to write down. Okay? No need to write down. First I'm explaining. Then I will erase that part. Then we will do. Okay? So the question is saying write the odd multiples of 5. Right? We have to write the odd multiples of 5 between 1 to 20. Okay? So for example, there is a number 3. We have to write the odd multiples of 3 in between 1 to 10. If the question is saying this, so what we have to do? This is just rough part, Victor. Don't note it down. Okay. So now first we will do here 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Okay. Then 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. And if we go 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So, but there is a condition applied. We have to use up to 1 to 9 number. So, this will be the answer. This you no need to do. Understood? Then there is condition applied. So, we have to, no need to proceed further. Up to that much we have to write. So, now I am erasing this part. This was just an explanation. Okay. And then we will do the question. First of all, note down the question. Okay. Now let's do the question. So now, here we have to write the 5 multiplied by 1 equals to 5. Okay. Then from which number? Odd. Mention. See here, it is mentioned odd. So now 5 multiplied by 3. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Okay. Then 5 multiplied by 5. If we go 5 multiplied by 5, we will get how much? 25. It is more than 20, right? It is more than 20. So we don't have to write. We have to write only this much. So let's erase it. I was just explaining it. Okay. So we don't have to write this. Okay. Up to where we have to do? Up to 2 places. Because there is a condition that up to 1 to 20 we have to find out. Okay. So now let's write the answer. How to write? 5, 15 are the, I have told you when you have to use is, you have to use is when there is only one multiple we are writing. But when we are writing 2 multiples, then we have to use are. So 5, 15 are the odd. Now we have to write from the question. Odd multiples of 5 between 1 and 20. Now note down, students. You have understood? Now note it down. If I am doing something circle and all, that you don't have to do, okay? Note down. I hope whatever I have explained you today that you have understood. If you have not understood, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Whatever problem you are facing, please do tell me, okay? Okay, now completed. I know some of you are slow writers, so I'm waiting for you. Let's complete fast. Then I will move further. Okay, now this is your today's homework. When you will open lesson number 3, multiples and factor, then you can see there is a warm-up page, right? And in this, what you have to do, I'm telling you, and then you will do. And remember that you have to do with pencil. In book, please use pencil so that it looks nice, and if you have done something wrong, you can correct it. Okay. So now your today's homework is this. Please write down homework here, heading in this page. You can write here homework, and please mention the date also. 7/7/2020. Mention the date, students, fast. This is your homework, and in this you have to do question number A, question number B, and question number C. Okay, I am explaining one of each, and then you have to do. Got it? Okay. So now how to do? See the first question, fill in the blanks. 7 multiplied by 2 equals to dash. Dash is a multiple of 7 and 2. So first we have to multiply these two numbers. 7 multiplied by 2 is, yes, 7 2s are 14. So first we will write here 14, and then 14. I have told you product is the multiple. So this is the product. So what we will write here, 14 is a multiple of which number? 7 and 2. These are the numbers. These numbers you have to write here. Now I'm doing one more so that you won't be confused. 3 multiplied by 4. So that is 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now then we will write here 12 is a multiple of which number? 3 and 4. Okay. So battery is low. Let me charge. Okay. So 3 and 4. Got it? In this way you have to do the first question. Now the second one. Write the missing factor. Okay. So now we have to write what? We have to write the missing factor. Right? So you can see there is written 3 multiplied by dash is equals to 24. So what will be here? 3 multiplied by 8 is equals to 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay. So in this way you have to complete question B. And in question number D, see what you have to do. Divide to find the other factor or the quotient. Only simply you have to divide here. So now how to do that? Here is the number 7 is written as a question, and 56 is the number that we have to divide, and here it is written 8. The first one is already done for you, right? So now in second, what we have to do? You have to just only write the next number, that from which number it is getting divided. So here it is 9 and here it is 63. So 9 7s are 63. It is dividing. So you have to write only the quotient. Got it? You have to write only quotient. So in this way you have to complete your homework. I know that you can do it. So do it today. Okay? Now. Now student, that's all for today, and now tomorrow we will meet again, and tomorrow I am going to teach you what is factors and what are the properties of factors. Okay, so that much for today. Thank you students. Take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye, and do proper care of yourself and your elders also. Okay, and eat healthy, be healthy. Okay. Thank you, students. Bye. Jai Hind.